There is everything on the planet that could be purchased with $1 quadrillion. At this point, we are referring to that particular number. Because BlackRock and JP Morgan are interested in making a long-term investment in XRP Ripple, they have decided to invest that amount of money. But what is the significance of this to us? It's easy. A price of $589 for XRP Ripple could be reached as a result of this. It's quite cool, isn't it? Still, is that the case? That video is going to blow your head, I promise you that. All right, without further ado, let's get started. I hereby defer. Ripple's most recent strategic maneuvers are causing a stir in the world of finance, particularly in light of the fact that the company is strengthening its connections with industry titans such as BlackRock and JP Morgan. With the tweet from XRP Captain highlighting the news that JP Morgan is now accepting XRP, it is important to note that this news has been promoted. The statement implies that Ripple's technology will be further integrated into existing financial institutions, which is something that various sectors have both excitedly anticipated and viewed with skepticism on account of its potential implications. There is no other word to describe the magnitude of the possible role that XRP might play in facilitating derivatives transactions across international borders that total $1.2 quadrillion. The cryptocurrency has taken a huge stride forward as a result of this development, which was made about by Ripple's participation in the International Swaps and Derivatives Association. Ripple is now in the middle of a financial ecosystem that has previously been dominated by established actors in traditional finance because it is a member of the International Spectral Data Association, ISDA. Ripple's aspirations have been given additional credibility as a result of the relationship with BlackRock and JP Morgan, which demonstrates the increasing acceptance of blockchain technology in the mainstream of finance. On the other hand, it is essential to do an in-depth analysis of the consequences of this action. Although it is exciting that XRP has the potential to be incorporated into such a large market, it also raises issues about how soon and successfully this integration can take place. Complexity and a high level of regulation characterize the derivatives market. The launch of a cryptocurrency such as XRP may be met with substantial challenges, not only in terms of technological advancements, but also in terms of the scrutiny of regulatory authorities. Indeed, the broader consequences for the global financial system are extremely significant. In the event that Ripple is successful in integrating XRP into the structure of the derivatives market, it has the potential to prepare the groundwork for the further incorporation of digital assets into conventional financial systems. The manner in which international financial transactions and payments are carried out would undergo a substantial transformation as a result of this fact. It has the ability to lead to processes that are both more efficient and transparent. However, just like any other life-altering shift, there are obstacles that need to be taken into consideration. The implementation of XRP on such a massive scale might be met with opposition from well-established financial institutions and regulatory organizations. When it comes to a market as huge as the derivatives market, where stability and predictability are of the utmost importance, the volatility of cryptocurrencies could also present risks. But it goes without saying that experts are unable to remain mute when it comes to the fact that multi-trillion-dollar firms like BlackRock and JP Morgan have shown interest in XRP Ripple. They are predicting that XRP Ripple will experience astounding growth in the not-too-distant future, something that was completely beyond our wildest dreams in the past. Your astonishment is going to be profound. Therefore, XRP has always been shrouded in a certain amount of mystery, as Soltre mentioned in a tweet that was sent out not too long ago, and this secret appears to be growing deeper. Some people do not consider XRP to be merely another cryptocurrency, an asset in the digital realm that is on the verge of becoming something monumental. This emotion was aptly conveyed by Amonix, another voice in the cryptocurrency world, who suggested that XRP is on its path to fulfilling the prophecy by shooting for the frequently stated target of $589. Might it be that this prophecy is nothing more than wishful thinking, or might there be anything more substantial that lies behind the hype? When one delves deeper into the technical analysis, one discovers that there is a great deal, in fact, to be positive about. Bobby, a prominent industry analyst, has lent his support to a bullish prediction that might result in an astounding 5,000% increase in the value of XRP. This is not a simply arbitrary figure that was conjured up out of thin air. It is based on a thorough examination of the price patterns of XRP as well as the developments in the market as a whole. The cryptocurrency known as XRP has been going through a correction phase over the past few weeks, but it has shown signs of life. In recent times, it has had a significant increase to 62 cents, riding the coattails of Bitcoin's own boom. The market is not in a negative mindset, despite the fact that XRP has experienced a modest decline from its top over the weekend. In the opinion of a great number of industry professionals, including Bobby, XRP is currently preparing for a strong bullish run. A breakout pattern on the monthly chart of XRP is something that Bobby has identified, which is one of the things that makes his analysis extremely compelling. Certainly, this is not any old pattern. There is a possibility that the price of XRP will experience a significant increase if it is able to overcome the tenacious resistance levels that have been preventing it from moving further. One way to think of these resistance levels is as walls that, once broken through, might unleash a rush of momentum, propelling XRP to new heights. Those are some tantalizing stats that Bobby is throwing around. The first thing that he notices is XRP going up to 87 cents, which is a significant rise of 47% from its current price. The price behavior of the asset has been defined by a long-term descending trend line since 2021. If it hits this level, it will break above the trend line itself. A breakthrough of this kind would not be merely a momentary increase in price. It is possible that this will indicate a change from a bearish trend to a positive trend, which may completely alter the game for investors in XRP. Nevertheless, that is not the end of the adventure. Bobby believes that once XRP has surpassed the $1 threshold, it may next move on to the $1.30 and eventually $1.70 price levels. The significance of these milestones lies in the fact that they represent essential stages towards surpassing the previous all-time high for XRP. On the other hand, the ascent is not going to be a simple one. Over the course of its journey, XRP will have to triumph over a number of resistance levels. However, the manner in which it responds to these obstacles will determine whether or not it is able to continue on its upward trajectory. Additionally, there is the possibility of achieving enormous profits. Beginning from $5.30 and going all the way up to $13.70, Bobby has indicated a profit-taking zone for those individuals who wish to secure their gains after they have been made. This would indicate that investors who bought in at the present levels would receive a staggering return on their investment of 2,000% if they cashed out at the current price of $13.70. However, it is possible that this is not the conclusion of the story. A figure that has been reiterated by other notable analysts, which is $33.70, which would imply a gain of 5,600%. Predictions of this nature are bound to elicit a sense of excitement nonetheless. Approaching them with caution is essential. The path to those ambitions is plagued with volatility and unpredictability. Despite the fact that potential profits are enormous, the fluctuations in the price of XRP are driven by a complex combination of market sentiment, advances in regulatory policies, and broader economic variables. The excitement of the possibility of windfalls must be weighed against the inherent hazards that are associated with the cryptocurrency market. And now let's take a look at the most recent agreements that Ripple has been discreetly obtaining. Blackrock and JP Morgan are not the only funds that are participating in this activity. Ripple is currently making movements behind the scenes that have the potential to completely alter the game. The establishment of these strategic connections is laying the groundwork for XRP Ripple to become the dominant player in the global financial scenario. I am about to reveal something that will blow your mind and make the target price of $589 for XRP Ripple appear to be closer than it has ever been. Therefore, the most recent growth of Ripple into China and Hong Kong represents a significant turning point in the overall journey of the cryptocurrency towards widespread use. This momentous move was made possible by Ripple's connection with over 11,000 banks through the SWIFT network a few years ago. As Jack the Ripper pointed out on X, this integration laid the groundwork for this move. With the participation of major financial institutions in China and Hong Kong, XRP is now in a position to revolutionize the process of making payments across international borders in one of the most dynamic financial